एक फोटो सर सही है కొంచెం బ్యాక్ సైడ్ వచ్చేసి
Sir Sunil Anta, welcome to Hyderabad, ma'am. We are at Raghuram 8 Homeland Project. One project landscaping in the area. ಅದು 7 checklist of life curate ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
And speak about Credai, I think we already know that it's Hyderabad's biggest show, property show. And honest ka, so usually first lo మేము హైదరాబాద్ షిఫ్ట్ అయినప్పుడు కూడా అందరికీ ఒక కామన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఏంటంటే ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫైండింగ్ అ హోమ్. యూ జస్ట్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ దట్. ఇట్స్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అండ్ ఇలాంటి షోస్ జరిగినప్పుడు మనం అందరం వస్తే ఎక్కడో యుల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు సీ డిఫరెంట్ వెరైటీ. యుల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు కంపేర్ అండ్ పిక్ అండ్ చూస్ ఈజీగా. ఎందుకంటే మామూలుగా ఐ నో ద స్ట్రగుల్ ఆఫ్ గోయింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ప్లేస్ టు అనదర్. ఇది ఇక్కడ బాగుంది, అది బాగుంది, ఇంక రోజులు ఇట్స్ లిటరలీ టైమ్ ఫ్లైస్. సో దిస్ such shows are very very important, and this is the largest one in Hyderabad. It's also one of the most credible place, so I think everyone should come visit. Andar randi, at least oka idea vastundi. Villas unnai, flats unnai, they have multiple options, varieties under one roof, so it's your one stop solution for all home problems annattu. Thank you so much for calling me here today. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Wishing you a very good afternoon. We're all here today at the property show. So Andarki, I think this is also their first time, and thank you for inviting me here today. Ilanti event is training antaru. So I'm very very happy to be here today. The property show. If you look around, I think one thing is confirmed: if you come here, you want to go out getting a house. So there are multiple varieties, options. And I think very very workable, so very negotiable, very workable. They're working around you for whatever your needs are, and wonderful team, and everything is set up. So every stall there to share things with you. So under Dundee is much better than the previous ones, but everyone must come and visit once, so you at least get an idea of what's happening in town. When you go to Hyderabad, go to Karnataka, it's all the properties that you all have. So I really hope this is a grand success, and until that, it's a one-stop solution for our home problems.